Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a local WordPress development environment to create your client sites or to create some test sites. So this is actually a really cool way to develop websites fast. So the tool I'm talking about is the local by Flywheel. Flywheel is a hosting company. They developed this tool. Previously we used to use the XAMPP or WAMP. You need to say Apache or Nginx servers. You have to manually download the WordPress and install in those softwares, and only then you can get to use it. Whereas now all you have to do is just if you open this software, all you have to do is just click on this plus icon. It will ask you uh, to choose the option whether to create a new site or to create a blueprint from the existing site. I will explain about it later in the video. For now, let's go and create a new site. Continue, just give it a site. Let me give name as client site 1. Let's continue. Here you can manually select your PHP versions, web server and database. For time being, I'm going to use the preferred options default. It will ask you to create a username and password for your website. I'm going to give my name. That's it. Add site. That's it. It is going to create a website, a WordPress environment. As you can see, now the WordPress website is installed, and I would always like to enable this option, one click admin, and by this way you can just get to the dashboard with one click. You don't need to enter your username and password. This is my URL here, client site 1.local. So let's quickly go to appearances. Let's install a theme. It's just like your normal website. You don't have to do anything here. Let me install a theme, one of my favorite themes, Cadence. Now you can activate it. See, that's it. You can just start using this hosting environment as your normal hosting. The main benefit of it is you can use it even without connecting to the internet. Once you install your themes and plugins, you don't have to connect to the internet. You can do it. You can develop the website even offline. Let's discuss about the option blueprint. Blueprint is something like you created a website, a plain website, WordPress website, and let's say for example, if you are building websites for clients, almost all the time the configuration is going to be the same. Let's say for example, in my case, if whenever I'm using the bricks builder, the settings are almost same. So what I will do is I will just create a local WordPress website once, and I will set up everything, and I will make it as a blueprint. I will save it as a blueprint. This way what happens is it will just copy the entire website and compress it to a zip file. As you can see, it is compressing the files, and save it as a blueprint in this tab. And whenever you want to create a new website for client, from next time you don't have to start from the scratch. You can just select the blueprint and you are ready to go. It will change all the domain names and everything for you, and you can just pretty much start with all the configuration that you have previously done in the website. Let me just choose that one. Let's say it is client 2, create from blueprint. Now it is going to unzip all the files that previously compressed, and it will do some configuration. That's it. Now the second client website is ready. I can just click on the one click admin. I can select my admin. I will just click on admin. It will take me to the second client website dashboard. with the Cadence theme installed, because before taking the snapshot, that's the theme we installed, right? So yeah, this is actually a very helpful feature in the software. Once you're done with creating the website, you can just use your favorite plugin to export the website and import it to your normal hosting environment, and you can connect that domain and everything. In the coming videos, I will explain you how to migrate the website from local environment to the cloud or your hosting, and also website migration between the servers and from one domain to another domain. I will be explaining all those details in coming videos. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.